Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Add the Vivaldi repository by running the following commands. Once added, update your package list with the next command. Install Vivaldi by running the following command. Once the installation is complete, you can launch Vivaldi from the application menu or by running the command Vivaldi in the terminal. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in the comments.